Hi, I'm Jenny Tompkins with the City of Pasadena's Parks, Recreation, and Community Services Department. We would like to help you stay connected and engaged, so it's time for fun. It's time for our virtual enrichment program, and today we're going to be doing a STEM project, making a lava lamp. Our activity today can be done by children ages 5 and up, but if you have children under the age of 8, please adults stick around to supervise. Keep all of your materials on a flat surface. Make sure that you cover your work area and cover your clothes and your hands to protect from food coloring. Please do not heat or eat your lava lamps. The supplies that we're going to use today can be supplies that you find right in your own kitchen. Can any of you guess what supplies we might need? Okay, if you guessed water and oil, of course that's right. So you need to make sure you have a tall bottle or jar. Oil, clear oil like vegetable oil, mineral oil, or baby oil is fine. Food coloring, effervescent tablets, and again, gloves to cover your hands and something to clean up your work area. We're going to take our bottle first, and I've already measured the water. So you're going to take about 1/4 of your bottle, and that's about 2 inches for most bottles, 1/4 of the bottle. And you can use hot or cold water to see the differences, not boiling water, in how our experiment reacts. Then I'm going to take my oil and some food coloring, and I think today I'm going to take a purplish color. I'm going to put just one more protective plate underneath to keep the oil from spilling everywhere. Okay, so we're going to take, first we're going to put on our gloves. And then I'm going to take the food coloring, just a few drops, about 5 to 8 drops, right into the water. Here we go. And squeeze gently. It comes out pretty quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There we go. Next, I'm going to take the bottle of oil and carefully pour it right down on top of the water and food coloring. And take your time. If you pour too quickly, you'll have oil all over your table. So that fills right up to the top. About 3/4 of oil go into the bottle. So you add 1/4 of water and 3/4 of oil. And if we add that together, we get a whole. Good job. All right, look at all the bubbles that were created. Can you guess why there were so many bubbles? If you said because oil and water don't mix, you're correct. The next step is to take our effervescent tablets, and I have some right here already split in half, and we're going to take that and drop it right down into the oil. Watch it sink down to the bottom, and put our lid back on. There we go. And just watch the reaction. And I'll turn just a little bit so you can see what's happening. Look at all of those cool bubbles. Can you guess what's happening right now? Well, if you said gas, you're correct. If you said chemical reaction, then that's right too. Now, once your action begins to slow down, if you want to see more, it's very simple to just take another tablet and pop it right down into your bottle. And everything starts all over again. So what's happening here is the active ingredient in our tablets, CO2, does not mix with the heavy oil. Instead, it falls right down to the bottom and mixes with the water and the food coloring. It creates a bubble, rises to the top, bursts, sinks right back down to the bottom, and starts the process all over again. Pretty cool. When you're finished, please do not discard of your experiment in the sink or flush it down the toilet. Please take the materials and discard of them in the nearest compost. If there isn't one, please take everything and place it in a Ziploc bag, seal it tightly, and dispose of it in the garbage. We hope that you enjoyed our virtual enrichment program today, and please join us for the next segment.